Now we're going to go into intrusion detection systems and intrusion protection systems. So intrusion detection has been around for quite some time. It's going to look for some type of attacks or suspicious activity. We're going to go into the different types of IDSs that are used on the market today. But there's two main types, network or host-based. So if it's a network IDS, that means that it's watching all the traffic on the network itself. It could be on a system with a NIC, network card, that's in promiscuous mode. And what that means is usually when we have a network card on our system, it's only looking for our address, our MAC address, and any type of broadcast and potentially multicast traffic that's coming our way. If a network card is in promiscuous mode, that means it's going to see all the traffic, which an IDS obviously has to do to be able to determine if there's malicious code. Now, there's one thing that IDS we have problems with in switched environments, and most of our environments are switched, meaning that we use switches more instead of routers and bridges and such, because switches are much more, we could do VLANs and it happens very quickly. We're going to go into VLANs and switches and telecommunication. But the problem with IDSs in a switched environment is the IDS really is just a sniffer. It's a basic sniffer which is watching the traffic that's going through. Now in a switched environment you have specific communication paths between a port to port. And a sniffer can't sniff or understand and watch every single port. So in a switched environment, what we have to do is we have to take all of those ports and mirror them and basically make one big port that's mirroring all the traffic that's going through. And then you have a sensor on that mirrored port so that we can make sure that the sensor is actually watching all the traffic that's going back and forth.